Hello guys, what is up? Today it's a beautiful day outside. Look, it's super nice all over and it's super warm here in Raleigh, North Carolina where I live. And today I'm going to be showing you a robin's nest that has a couple babies in it. Hopefully the mom doesn't get mad at me if she's in there. I don't know. Is she in there? They're right in there, if you can. I'm trying to make it so you can see. Can you focus on them? Let's see, can you see them? They're kind of hiding in there. You might not be able to see. Let me see, can you see them? You just look really, really hard. Trying to find the nest in the camera. See, oh, there's one. There you go. That's one of them. There's more. Just focus on that area. Let's get that leaf out of the way. Yeah, just look around. See how many you can spot. I've spotted 2 so far. There might be 3, but I at least know there's 2. But that's just a beautiful day video. I'm showing you this robin's nest that was made in that bush. So I hope you enjoy my video and see you next time on my new next videos on Valley's World. Bye.